So a few days ago I was at Walmart and I found this $20 Ozark Trail pocket knife. It's a 7.5-inch knife, and let's do a review on it. So this is what it looks like. It's blue. The blade was pretty sharp, but I sharpened it anyway. I've already used it some, and it's really good to use on stuff like cut bait, cutting fishing line, and all kinds of stuff like that. It has these knobs on there so you can pull it out like that. You pull this knob in, and then it closes. And then it has a clip on there too. Let's try to cut some braid with it. This is 15-pound braid. Let's see how it cuts it. Overall, for 20 bucks, I think it's a really good pocket knife, and if you need a pocket knife and you've got 20 bucks, you should definitely go and buy it.